You cannot touch.
No touch? But how can I buy if I don't touch? I was here to look at the Veyron.
But you want to make video or you want to buy the car?
I want to buy the car and make
I
video.
saw you have two cameras, like you're making a video.
Yeah, we're documenting it. I will post it only if I buy.
You buy it, you can take a video of it. How much you want?
That's the problem because we're making a bulk about buying the car. And
No.
I can't buy here if I can't take the video.
No, don't take the video. Buy the car after taking it. Why you want to have a video inside the car?
Because I'm documenting the process of buying a Bugatti Veyron because it's very cool, right?
Documenting is cool, but once you buy it, then you make your documentation.
The whole
From
process-
outside, you can take a video. I don't mind. But sitting inside the car, starting
That's
the car,
fine.
taking a
That's
video,
fine. I
I
don't have to do that, okay? But I can film in here.
Yes, you can film in here, but touching cars not allowed.
But I have to, of course, sit in the car.
No, not allowed.
Not even sitting in the car?
Not allowed even sitting in the car.
How should I buy the car if I don't even sit in the car?
Maybe you don't understand.
He doesn't understand. He wants to buy the car.
Okay, he wants to buy the car. You sit with me, you finalize the deal, pay me a deposit,
Wait,
let me
wait,
know
wait,
who
wait.
you are. After that, we will talk about the
Are
prices.
you telling me that I'm supposed to buy the car without even sitting in the car?
Or touching.